Gemini, today, the week's nonstop mental activity finally has somewhere good to go. Friday's Venus energy meets your Mercury mind, and the result is pure social joy. Today is Friday, June 19th, 2026. Welcome to Astro Healing. Venus and Mercury together on Friday create one of the most socially alive combinations of your entire week. Your mind, which has been processing and connecting and analyzing nonstop since Monday, finally gets to simply enjoy the people around it without an agenda. Today is for connection purely for connection's sake. In your career, the week wraps up with a satisfying sense of completion. Conversations that needed to happen have happened. Ideas that needed sharing have been shared. Today, send a final message, close a final loop, and let yourself enjoy the lightness of an empty inbox heading into the weekend. In love, today your charm is effortless and your conversation flows beautifully. Plan to be social tonight, even in a small way. A dinner with someone you love, a call with a friend who always makes you laugh. Gemini recharges through genuine connection, and tonight that connection is exactly what your soul needs. Financially, a positive financial conversation or a piece of information arrives today that closes the week on a good note. Whatever felt uncertain about money this week clarifies favorably today. Receive that clarity with relief. For your health, give your mind a real break tonight. No more problem solving, no more analyzing. Watch something that makes you laugh. Talk to someone who lights you up. Your nervous system has worked hard this week, and tonight it deserves genuine, joyful rest. Your spiritual message today, Gemini, connection is not a distraction from your purpose. It is part of it. Tonight, let conversation be enough. Let laughter be enough. You do not need to be productive in every moment. You need to be alive in this one. Comment Gemini below and tell me your plans for tonight. Hit the like button right now and subscribe with the bell on for tomorrow. Take care.